Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a stock trend prediction web app using Python can be an exciting project. Below is an informative tutorial that outlines the steps to build a simple stock trend prediction web app using Flask, pandas, and a machine learning model, like linear regression. This tutorial assumes you have a basic understanding of Python, Flask, and machine learning concepts. Step 1. Setting up the environment. 1. Install required packages. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. Then, create a virtual environment and install the necessary packages. Flask, a micro web framework for Python. Pandas, for data manipulation and analysis. NumPy, for numerical operations. Scikit-learn, for machine learning. yfinance, to fetch stock data. Matplotlib, for plotting graphs. Step 2. Building the machine learning model. Let's create a simple linear regression model to predict stock prices. Stock_predictor.py. Step 3. Creating the Flask application. Now, we will create a simple Flask app that allows users to input a stock symbol and get predictions. app.py. Step 4. Creating HTML templates. You need 2 HTML templates for the web app, one for the home page and one for displaying the results. Template/index.html. Template/result.html. Step 5. Running the application. 1. Make sure you have the directory structure like this. 2. Run the Flask application. 3. Open your web browser and navigate to http://127.0.0.1:5000. Conclusion. You've now built a simple stock trend prediction web app using Python, Flask, and a machine learning model. You can enhance this app by adding more features, like using more advanced models, like LSTM, improving the user interface, or adding more stock indicators for predictions. This basic framework gives you a good starting point to explore and expand your application further.